All right, guys, we got a 2008 Chevy Silverado 1500, 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it, factory converter there, Y's into a single. Then it doesn't have the dreaded third cat, so he's gonna bring it back and we're gonna true dual it for him. But for right now, we're just running this exhaust system. Flex pipe there, 3-inch pipe. Then we connected a Black Widow race VENOM. Right there's the box of it. Part number WIDBWSDR-33. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 mandrel bent tailpipes out the sides, 2 1/4, there and there. And then 4-inch rolled black tips out the back, there and there. As you guys can see, came out absolutely beautiful. There's the old Flowmaster Super Tin that was on it. We cut it off. It was just rusted and gone. There was no help in that. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. Clean. Yeah, it's clean. That's beautiful. Black Widow race VENOM. That's perfect. 101. Again. Perfect. Yeah. It's crazy, the design of it. It's just 2 like U-joints on each side, 2 holes in it. That's perfect. And from after research, guys, Black Widows is supposed to not drone. So we'll see. That's a nice deep tone. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Silverado Black Widow race VENOM. Duals with 4-inch black tips. Look at this old classic we're going to be working on next.